The most obvious way to expand the interior space of any camper would be to throw in a couple of slideouts. But since these mechanisms are quite pricey, we usually see them on gigantic luxury models that already have plenty of room inside. Luckily, this isn't always the case, and in this episode, we gathered a lineup of the smallest trailers with slideouts that make this fun feature accessible even to owners of compact towing vehicles. Before we begin, subscribe to Must See Tech and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's roll! Mobi Lodge Continental and Liberty. Mobi Lodge is a South African family-operated manufacturer that introduces a new concept of traditional small caravans by maximizing the size of your base camp to the fullest. Their current 15-feet flagship Continental has a large slide-out that houses an island bed, 2 awnings on each side, or a swing tent with a guest room. There is an exterior kitchen unit, and the aerodynamic front section of the camper squeezes in a complete bathroom. This monohull fiberglass trailer is ready to conquer Homeland's tough landscapes by being pre-equipped with the off-road package that includes black 16-inch alloy mags, all-terrain tires, and suspension lift. Last but not least, the Liberty spec Mobi is wheelchair accessible. Forest River Rpod. The major reason to consider the Rpod travel trailer family is the ultra-wide variety of floor plans. Including dealer-specific builds, there are 2 base and 11 expandable models, with the latter featuring a single slide-out each. The trailers measure from 18 to 22 feet in overall length, sleeping from 3 to 5 people. Regardless of the chosen layout, each Rpod arrives with an independent torsion axle, nitrogen-filled tires, and self-adjusting electric brakes. The standard interior goodies include either a 2- or 3-way refrigerator, 6-gallon hot water heater, residential cabinetry, aluminum bed bases, and a wet bath. Worthy options also include a power toolbox awning with LED lights, a fireplace, and an outside kitchen. KC Sportsman Classic. Currently a part of Thor's Industries, KCRV has been in the business for almost 50 years, offering a wide selection of travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. The Classic is the smallest and the lightest model in the company's range, while its 181 BH floor plan is probably the most versatile trailer in the mix. Equipped with a single slide-out, the caravan can sleep up to 6 people. It fits a double bed in the rear, a set of bunks up front, and a dinette area that converts into an additional sleeping space in the middle. The camper comes equipped with a wet bath and a full kitchen that offers a microwave, 2-burner stove, and an 8 cubic feet fridge as standard. Smash the like button if you haven't already, and consider joining the conversation about these trailers in the comments below the video once you are done watching. Thanks for your support, and let's get back to it. Lance 1475S and 1575 travel trailer. Established in 1965, the California Lance camper is known for making eco-friendly campers using the industry's latest technologies, such as Astel and light ply. However, if you're looking for the most compact trailers from the brand with decent interior room, the 1475S and 1575 models are the way to go. These campers have a gross vehicle weight of 3,700 pounds, measure around 20 feet in overall length, and sleep 2 or 4 people respectively. The smaller S model gets equipped with a tiny side slide-out where the couch is located, while the 1575 gets a full-size super slide dinette that seats 4 and transforms into a bed at night. Each Lance fits a bathroom, gets a full kitchen, and comes with 3 holding tanks and a hot water system from Truma. Jayco Hummingbird. The Hummingbird range of the travel trailers consists of 5 models, out of which 3 come featuring a slideout and measuring almost 20 feet in length. Each is constructed on a Norco frame and is equipped with an American-made Dexter single axle with rubber torsion suspension. The models feature vacuum-bonded floors and sidewalls, get astrofoil insulation, and ride on standard Goodyear tires with self-adjusting brakes. These Hummingbirds can accommodate 4 people, 2 adults on the 54x74-inch Jayco exclusive teddy bear mattress, and 2 kids on the convertible dinette bed. The trailers have LED lighting inside out, while their kitchens include a microwave, a fridge, and 24-inch TV right from the start. All of them weigh a maximum of 350 pounds when fully loaded. Bower X. If other trailers from this lineup only slightly expand their premises via mechanically controlled body extensions, the French Bower X is basically a one huge slide-out all on its own. This caravan previews how the future Moon and Mars colonies will look like, so besides offering a spacious habitat for its occupants, it instantly becomes a centerpiece of any campsite. Depending on the chosen model, in under 60 seconds, this compact trailer can double, triple, or nearly quadruple in size due to the use of special 2 telescopic modules, providing you with vast 86 to 300 square feet of floor space. The Bowers can sleep from 2 to 6 travelers and come fully stocked with a freshwater tank, fridge, sink, a 2-burner stove, plus a bathroom with a cassette toilet and a sink shower system. Coachman Catalina Summit Series 7. Yet another RV manufacturer from under the Forest River Inc. umbrella, Coachman, rarely goes small with their campers. So within their roster, the 20 feet Catalina Summit Series 7 is the smallest model to feature a slide-out. The 174 BHS floor plan places there a booth dinette, while sleeping up to 4 people on a queen-size bed and bunks. The Catalina standard package includes a 2-burner stove, a microwave, 24x40 inches full-tub bathroom, and a 13 feet awning. As far as Coachman trailers go, this one is supposed to be a versatile and affordable option with reliable seamless TPO roof membrane with 12-year warranty, aluminum exterior, automatic 13,500 BTU AC, and 20,000 BTU furnace. Hitch Hotel Traveler. The first Hitch Hotel was a wheelless expandable camper that could be mounted on the vehicle's hitch for transportation. With this new model, the California startup is entering a more traditional travel trailer segment by equipping the original build with a set of 10-inch wheels. The Traveler keeps the lightweight slide-out construction and a powder-coated frame, but gets a 1,000-pound independent torsion bar suspension and a patent-pending collapsible tow bar that allows it to be stored in the tightest of spaces. When fully folded, the trailer is less than 39 inches wide, but once you're ready for camp, it can be expanded to sleep 2 people. The model features several storage boxes inside, comes pre-wired for lighting, and gets 2 stabilizing supports in the rear. Would you consider getting a small trailer with a slide-out, or is this feature just a gimmick with very low reliability? Answer these questions, mention your favorite models in the comment section, and smash the like button until it turns blue. Subscribe to Must See Tech, share, and proceed to exploring other van life videos by following the links on the screen. We'll see you.